Oh, he's that kid now. The last time he was here, he wasn't that kid. He was the kid getting pushed down the slide.
I know, he grew up all of a sudden a bit.
It's right there.
Cash.
Don't push people. Say sorry. Cash. Don't push anybody else. Thank you. Go up the stairs.
Okay, go play on the side.
Yanni.
Yeah, we're not walking around anymore. Stay in here.
Jonathan, you can watch.
Dad pushing.
It's okay. No worries. I'm recording them play. That boy right there, that's my baby. He's my baby. Yeah. And that girl right there, that's my sister. My sister. Big girl, huh? She look like a big girl to you? I don't know who that kid is. We'll put this right there. Sound good? That's my water.
Don't touch anything.
Forget you. Oh, you missed it. You were on there. You missed it. You know I'm being silly. Oh, where'd Rihanna go? Oh, there's that. Cash. Cash.
Come on.
Well, I guess big.